How's it going, everyone? Happy Monday! I've got another Black Bolt binder collection. Last week, my luck was really crazy. I pulled some awesome cards. Let's see if this week I can be just as lucky. I've got an Electros with a Pokeball. I really need the pre-evolution of this Pokemon. Electric Shock. Na 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 na. We've got another Cobalion. I feel like almost every other packet I've opened for Black Bolt and White Flare has a Cobalion at the end. So many Cobalions. Got a nice little Pokeball Dwebble here. Dwebble. It has such a cute name. Whirlipede, the third Pokeball today. And a full illustration Rufflet. Yes, finally an illustration card. Bring on the art. Thank you, my fave. Sadly, that's the last packet for today. I'll see you guys later. Bye!